Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Family bonds and relations. So let's begin with the chapter. Let's start. Draw your family tree, write family member's name. So here is a space given. यहाँ पर आपको अपना family tree बनाना है and then आपको अपने family members के नाम भी लिखने हैं. A family is an important part of our life. It gives us love, care and support. Families can be of different types. So we have different types of family. Let's see how many types of family do we have. When parents and the children live together, it is called a nuclear or small family. In such families, members share their joys and sorrows and help each other. When parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins live together under one roof, it is known as a joint or big family. These families provide strong support as all members take care of one another. So हमारे पास अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा दो तरीके की फैमिलीज होती हैं. एक होती है स्मॉल फैमिली जहाँ पे सिर्फ पेरेंट्स और उनके साथ उनके बच्चे रहते हैं. दूसरी होती है जॉइंट फैमिली जहाँ पे आपके पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, अंकल्स, आंट्स, सिबलिंग्स सारे साथ में रहते हैं. Immediate and extended family. A family can be divided into immediate family and extended family. The people who live with us in the same house are called our immediate family. This includes our parents, brothers and sisters. Sometimes grandparents are also a part of the immediate family if they live with us. The relatives who do not live with us but are connected to us are called extended family. This includes our uncles, aunts, cousins and grandparents if they live separately. We meet them on special occasions, festivals or family gatherings. तो immediate family आपकी वो family होती है जो बिल्कुल आपके साथ ही रहती है. इसमें आपके parents, आपके siblings तो होते ही हैं. Sometimes आपकी immediate family में grandparents भी होते हैं अगर वो आपके साथ ही रहते हैं. And then you have the extended family जिसमें आपके uncles, aunts, वो relatives आते हैं जो आपके साथ रहते तो नहीं हैं but किसी ना किसी तरीके से आपके साथ connected होते हैं. And then you meet them in special occasions like birthday parties or family gatherings. Take a test. Now you have certain questions. Please answer yourselves. Family gathering. Family members get together on many occasions. These can be happy as well as sad occasions. Festivals, birthday parties, wedding, etc. are happy occasions. These celebrations include eating special meals, dancing and singing, etc. Family gathering brings closeness between members. This helps to pass on the family values and traditions from one generation to another. Family gatherings teach us patience and tolerance and also to live together happily. We enjoy and have fun during family gatherings. तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग occasions होते हैं, कभी happy occasions, कभी sad occasions. Irrespective of the kind of occasions, family members से हम time to time मिलते रहते हैं and if the occasion is happy, we enjoy also with them. It is learning from the family. It is the family which makes the children familiar with the culture of the society. A family is the first school of a child. A child not only learns to speak, eat, read, write, but also learns good behavior, discipline and ethical values from the family. A family takes care of all the emotional, physical or mental needs of adults. Heritage of the family has some values which are passed on from one generation to next generation. We learn the following from older generations, like to help others who are in need. तो एक family में आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हो. आपको सपोर्ट केयर तो मिलता ही है, साथ साथ आप डिसिप्लिन, देन फैमिली हेरिटेज होता है विच इज़ पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर जनरेशन. लाइक आपकी बेसिक वैल्यूज़ आपको सिखाई जाती हैं कि जब किसी को ज़रूरत हो और आप कर सकते हैं तो आपको हेल्प करनी चाहिए. to be courteous, generous, and polite to others, to not judge others, to be responsible, to listen to others and respect the opinion of others. If children are taught good values, the society will become a better place to live in. Courteous होना है, generous होना है, एक दूसरे को जज नहीं करना है unnecessarily, respectful रहना है सबकी तरफ. और अगर सारे पूरी दुनिया में ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे, so world would be a very, very, very beautiful place to live in. Changes in the family. Families do not always remain the same. Many events and situations bring changes in the family. Members have to adjust to these changes and accept new responsibilities. Some common changes are as follows. A new arrival. Sometimes a new member joins the family. This may happen when a baby is born or when a child is adopted. The family becomes happy and excited. With the new arrival, family members have to take extra care of the baby and support the parents. Everyone adjusts to the new routine. अब families हमेशा same नहीं रहती हैं. हमेशा additions या फिर subtractions family में होते रहते हैं. कोई नया member आता है या किसी की death हो जाती है. अब जहाँ पे कभी भी कोई नया अराइवल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई नया आता है, जैसे कोई पैदा हो गया या अडॉप्ट किसी बच्चे को कर लिया, तो नए एनवायरनमेंट में उसको रहने के लिए हमें अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, नॉट जस्ट टू द किड बट ऑल्सो टू द पेरेंट्स. New place. Families may shift to another city or town when a parent gets a job transfer, promotion, or when they decide to move for better opportunities. Shifting to a new place brings excitement as well as challenges. Children have to join a new school and adults need to adjust to a new workplace and neighborhood. So अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने शिफ्ट कर लिया, फैमिली ने नई जगह पे शिफ्ट कर लिया, तो पुराने कल्चर की क्योंकि आदत हो जाती है तो नए नेबरहुड में एडजस्ट करने के लिए टाइम लग जाता है, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन. तो उसमें भी आपको जेनरस होना चाहिए. Then comes the wedding. When someone in the family gets married, a new person becomes a part of the family. Weddings are celebrated with relatives, friends, music, food and ceremonies. A wedding strengthens family bonds as members gather together and become the new member and welcome the new member with joy. फिर शादी होती है तो एक नया एडिशन होता है फैमिली में, तो उस केस में भी everybody has to be kind because उसके लिए वो फैमिली एकदम नया environment है. So you cannot expect the other person to be perfectly fine with the newer surroundings पहले ही दिन में, तो थोड़ा बहुत टाइम लग जाता है एडजस्ट करने में, तो उस केस में भी you have to be very much welcoming. Good to know. Family is like branches on a tree. We all grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. अब family बहुत बड़ी होती है, लेकिन इसके roots हमेशा एक ही रहते हैं. Family values. Family traditions bring us closer to our extended family. Though we do not stay or live together, we learn to love, respect, cooperate and share. These are the basic values in our family. तो family में बहुत सारे traditions होते हैं and values होती हैं, वो हमको और भी ज़्यादा एक दूसरे के करीब ले आती हैं. They bring us closer. The family, both immediate and extended, is a very important part of our life. We must try and meet each other regularly and maintain relationships. We must also try and respect family traditions and values. So irrespective of anything, हमेशा एक दूसरे की respect हमें और एक दूसरे की traditions की respect हमेशा करनी चाहिए. Let's revise. Family are of two types, nuclear and joint. A nuclear family is small, consisting of parents and their children. A joint family is large, consisting of grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and their children. Relatives who live separately and meet us on occasions form our extended family. All families change in some way or the other. Family teaches the values to the children. दो तरीके की family होती है, nuclear और joint, and irrespective of anything, एक family हमेशा अपनी family members को अच्छी चीज़ें ही सिखाती है. Now practice time. Take the correct answer. Family members who live separately and meet us on occasions form our extended family. Option C. A family is the first school of a child. Option A. An occasion for an extended family to celebrate is a wedding. Option A. We must respect family traditions and values. Option A. Fill in the blanks. We all live in a family. Family teaches us not to disrespect others. Family gatherings teach us values and different kinds of stuff. Family dash bring us together to our extended family. So family always brings us together to our extended family, or they bring us closer. Now state whether the given statements are true or false. Family traditions bring us closer to our extended family. True. Our family teaches us many good things or values. True. All families change in some way or the other. True. An extended family includes only parents and children. False. Now answer the following questions, and these questions you have to answer on your own. Now there's skill builder, certain questions that you have to answer on your own. Life skill. Respect your parents and grandparents. There are so many things they can teach us, so learn from their experiences. So हमेशा एक दूसरे की, पेरेंट्स की, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की, सबकी, जो भी आपसे एल्डर्स हैं, छोटे भी हैं, आपके एज के बराबर भी हैं, सबकी आपको रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.